a Porter Kite. So the things we need are scissors, marker, sticks, glue, string, measuring tape, crepe paper, color paper, and white sheet. For the small sticks, I chose 25, and for the big sticks, I chose 5 sticks. So now we're gonna measure. And we're gonna measure each. So this measuring is 30. I chose 30, but if you want a bigger kite, you could choose more. For this one, it is for the same thing. If you want a different size, you could adjust it. So for this one, it's 10, and same. You could adjust this to make it bigger or smaller. So what we have to do next is we have to make a square. So you have to make 6 of these squares, and they have to be guys, we have to make 6 these squares. Got it. So now we are going to be using the string and tying it on each corner. So guys, we made all of the 6 squares. So for the next step, you're gonna be getting 4 of these straws, but we could only hold 2 for now. We're gonna have to put them like this and tie it with the string. So guys, I built the 4 long sticks. Now I'm gonna take one of these and I'm gonna put it over the long sticks. So guys, I built the 4 long sticks. Now I'm gonna take one of these and I'm gonna put it over the long sticks. So I'm gonna be cutting the little square and this, and bringing it up and making a square shape. So I made the holes equally, and I made the base of the kite. So guys, so now the next step is we have to put. So this kite has no tail, so you have to keep this kite in balance. So you have to put this stick here from this second corner, like this. You're gonna tie it like that. So I tied this. This side and this side should be equal. So we made this bow equal because we were gonna make the wings over here. So we're gonna be using this color paper, and we're gonna be decorating the kite and making the wings for the kite. The final step. So I'm gonna start with the orange paper, and we'll go like this and this and this and decorate the kite. So guys, we finished the kite, and I put colorful paper on each square. I put the thread and the string here, and I put tissue paper on top. I did that because this is lighter than this paper, and then I put the tassels here for fancy stuff, and I put it on the other side too, and I decorated the square with red, yellow, orange, and white, and blue. And those are my favorite colors. Guys, I think you might enjoy making the kite. You could follow step by step, or you could pause the video and do it, but it's your choice. You can make this kite at home, a school project, or any science project, whatever. It's easy to make, but it takes a long time. It takes about 2 hours, about that. You can put your name on it, put different designs, different colors. Let's test